Hey, it's Fergal Downs here with my business partner Mehdi Tahani, and I'm going to show you exactly how Cal Bartal, a 39-year-old truck driver, found a completely new way of making $100 to $200 paydays using 100% free traffic. There in the picture you can see Cal with his truck, and on the right hand side you can see one of Cal's paydays of $190.71. And how it worked incredibly well with zero upfront risk, giving him consistent payments every week to his PayPal account. The best part? He's continued making money with this strategy ever since. And he did it with no SEO, no product, no website, no email list, no connections in the internet marketing industry, and no advertising budget. And instead of filling up this video with a bunch of fluff and hype, we're going to share the facts and results because that's what we're about. On the left hand side here you can see one of Cal's accounts, and in that account he made $118.80, and on the right hand side you can see his lifetime earnings in a different account were $953.74. So by now you're probably asking yourself how we were able to get such amazing results with free traffic, and how you too can start seeing PayPal notifications inside your PayPal account on a daily basis. So what is Cal Bartal doing differently than the thousands of newbies out there who are trying to make their first dollar online? Well, there's two things. One, we focus only on free traffic, and we use it in a special way that allows us to consistently get free traffic every single day without consistent manual work. We do the work once, the initial setup, and then we get paid over and over again. The other thing that we do is we scale. The beauty of this method is that there is no limit to how much money you can make with it, and it works in tons of niches. After making your first sale, which should be pretty easy, simply rinse and repeat to make even more money using this unique method. These strategies are completely legal and ethical, and so dummy-proof that anyone can do it. And we'll show you inside Free Traffic Achievr how to make money from 100% free traffic. Free Traffic Achievr will not only reveal how we leverage the power of free traffic to drive sales each and every day, we'll also show you how to automate the entire process so that you can let the algorithm gods do all of the work for you. You'll know which niche to enter. You'll know where to find targeted free traffic. You'll even know which products to promote to get paid. This works with any kind of online business, and Cal is proof of that. And if he can do it, a 39-year-old newbie who's never made a dime online before this, then anyone can make this work. So if you're curious at all about the new way of leveraging 100% free traffic to generate the type of income you've always wanted, then it makes sense to try out Free Traffic Achievr risk-free at the low introductory price only available right now. In that time you spent thinking about it, you could have already watched some of the training videos inside Free Traffic Achievr and started getting some free traffic. Wouldn't it be nice to finally have that job-replacing online income that you've always wanted? Well, of course it would. So scroll down below this video and make the wise choice of trying out Free Traffic Achievr. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We can't wait to hear about your results.